Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking through a quick video tour of our VW Tiguan. So this is our 63 plate VW Tiguan. It's covered just over 122,000 miles, but it's only had 3 former keepers, with the last owning it since 2018, and it's got a whopping 11 service stamps in the book, so it's clearly been looked after over the years. Whilst in our care, we've done the cambelt and water pump, giving it fresh MOT with no advisories, and a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, it's in really good condition for the age and mileage. Really doesn't look like it's done 122,000 miles. It's clearly been looked after. Tyres are all in good condition, alloys are all in good condition as well, no major marks on them. Same with the bodywork, a couple of little stone chips, but really does look good. Inside, you've got DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, parking sensors front, rear and side. And it's all looking in really good condition. Aircon's blowing out nice and cold as well. It's a 2-litre diesel, 6-speed manual. Loads of legroom in the back. These are wonderfully practical cars. These very good family cars. And you've also got a nice big practical boot to match as well. Very nice car. This looks really good as well. These do look good in white. It's the BlueMotion TDI, so it's very economical considering the size of the car. 2-wheel drive Model 2. All looking really nice. Very well looked after, clearly well maintained, low owners, 2 keys as well with very good history. As always, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.